Hello everyone, so in this video we're going to be reviewing Finnfox.com. So it is basically a website that offers loans to you, and as you can see right here, you can actually choose the amounts of loan. So you can loan up to $5,000 right here. So you can just choose however many you need. So after that, you can just enter in your email address right there and just click on continue, and then wait for that to load. As you can see, they actually take you to this page, and you actually could do more with that. And right here, you can use quick loans for immediate financial needs. So even if you have bad credit, that's okay. You can start online. You can withdraw your cash in your AC. They have global presence, and it can help you achieve your goal. So right here, you have an easy process, FICO welcome, quick application, trusted practices, and a lot more. So is this website a scam? So let's head on over to Scam Advisor right here, and they are actually rated 100 out of 100. So this is basically a trusted website, so you can just loan from them. So they found that they have a valid SSL certificate. This site has been set up several years ago, so it's basically an old site. It has never been taken down. That's a good sign. And the DNS filter labels this as a safe. So the only negative highlight is that the identity of the owner is hidden on who is. However, that's basically it. So many people have said good reviews about this, and they can loan however they like, how many ever they like. So yeah, so if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.